Hi everyone. So our next question is basically called the foot theorem. So the question is, if q h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular of point p x1 comma y1 on the straight line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then show that h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Also find the root of the perpendicular from the point minus 1 comma 3 on the line 5x minus y minus 18 equals to 0. So here our straight line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, so a point is perpendicular to the straight line. The point is p1 px1 comma y1, and the foot of this perpendicular line is q h comma k. So solution: the given straight line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, equation 1. And now find the slope of the straight line. Slope of 1, what will be? It is minus a by b. And slope of pq, p is x1 comma y1, q is h comma k. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So the y2 is k minus y1 by h minus x1. And we know that these two slopes are perpendicular to each other. So the perpendicular slope is m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. This is m1 value and this is m2. So this can be given as minus a by b into k minus y1 by h minus x1 is equals to minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. This a minus b transfers there, so it is reciprocal b by a. Interchanging these two values, so it will be k minus y1 by a is equals by b is equals to h minus x1 by a. Now consider, let h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b is equals to t. Okay, so it is h minus x1 by a is equals to t, and k minus y1 by b is equals to t. Cross multiplying, so it is h minus x1 is equals to 80, h is equals to x1 here, so it is 80 plus x1. Similarly here, so it is k minus y1 is equals to bt, y1 moving there, so it is bt plus y1. So now we got the values of h and k. Okay, this h comma k lies on this straight line, right? So substitute q h comma k in 1. So it is ah plus bk plus c equals to 0. Now substitute h and k value. So it is a into 80 plus x1 plus b into bt plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Multiplying a inside, so a into a square t plus a x1 plus b square t plus b y1 plus c equals to 0. Taking t common here, so it is a square plus b square plus ax1 plus by1 plus c equals to 0. Now shifting these three terms to that side, so it is minus ax1 minus by1 minus c. Now taking minus common, so it is ax1 plus by1 plus c, and shifting this term here, so it is in the denominator, ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So you can write, in substituting t in that equation, h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to t it was. So substituting t, so minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So the point was minus 1 comma 3, and the equation was 5x minus y minus 18. equals to 0. And we have to find the food q, h, comma k we have to find. So this is x1, y1, and this is a, b, and c. Substituting here, so it is h minus of minus is plus 1 by a value is 5 equal to k minus 3 by minus 1 is equals to minus a is 5 into x1 is minus 1 plus b is minus 1 into 3 minus 18 by a square is 5 square plus minus 1 whole square. So it is h plus 1 by 5 is equals to k minus 3 by minus 1 is equals to minus 5 minus 3 minus 18 by 25 plus 1. So it is this value will be minus of minus 26 by 26. 26 ones are 26 ones are, so this value becomes 1. So equating h and k with 1. So it is h plus 1 by 5 equal to 1 and k minus 3 by minus 1 equal to 1. So it is h plus 1 equals to 5. H is equals to 5 minus 1. So h is equals to 4. And it is k minus 3 is equals to minus 1. So k is equals to minus 1 plus 3. K is equals to 2. So food will be 4 comma 2. If q, h comma k is the image of the point p x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then show that h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus 2 into a x1 plus b y1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is basically called the image theorem. Here there will be one straight line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. On that straight line a point is there p x1 comma y1 which is perpendicular to the straight line. So this image of this p falls here, this side, which is q, h comma k. In the middle there is a midpoint m. Okay, so let the straight line be ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Equation 1. Slope of the straight line 1 will be minus a by b. Slope of pq, that is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is k minus y1 by h minus x1. The given lines are perpendicular, right? This is m1 and this is m2. Lines are perpendicular, so m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So it is minus a by b into k minus y1 by h minus x1 is equals to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. So it is k minus y1 by h minus x1 is equals to b by a. Shifting this that side, so it is reciprocal. Now interchanging these two values, so it will be k minus y1 by b is equal to h minus x1 by a. Let h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to t. So it is h minus x1 by a is equals to t and k minus y1 by b is equals to t. So it is by 1 cross multiply h minus x1 is equals to at, h is equals to at plus x1. Cross multiply here also, so k minus y1 is equals to bt, k is equals to bt plus y1. Now we know that there is a midpoint, right? M is the midpoint of p and q, right? So m is the midpoint of pq. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k by 2. This midpoint also lies on this straight line. M lies on the one which is the straight line. So substitute this midpoint in it, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Substitute x value, so it is x1 plus h by 2 plus b into y1 plus k by 2 plus c equals to 0. Multiplying a inside, so it is ax1 plus ah plus by1 plus bk plus here it is 2 by 1, sorry, c by 1, so it is 1 into 2 and above the same, so it is plus 2c by 2 equals to 0. So this 2 multiplies here 0, so it is 0. We are left with this, right? So it is a x1 plus ah plus b y1 plus bk plus 2c equals to 0. Substitute h and k values. So it is a x1 plus a into x1 plus at plus b y1 plus b into y1 plus bt plus 2c equals to 0. Multiply ax1 plus a inside ax1 plus a square t plus by1 plus by1 plus b square t plus 2c equals to 0. ax1 plus ax1 is 2ax1 plus 2by1 plus 2c plus a square t plus b square t is equals to 0. Taking 2 common in this term, so it is ax1 plus by1 plus c, and taking t common here, so it is a square plus b square is equals to 0. Shifting this term that side, so it is minus, so it is minus 2ax1 plus y1 plus c. Now shifting this a square term here, so it is divide, t is equals to minus 2 ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay, so therefore h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus 2 ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square.